Hey guys, welcome back. So on today's video I wanted to do something quick for moms on the go. Maybe if you don't know how to apply makeup or if you don't have any time, something that falls into that category. First of all, you want to make sure that your face is nice and moisturized, so I am going to be using the Skintasy face cream. I am almost out of it. Packaging is super freaking cute, but this really does moisturize my skin really good, you guys. And it just does not sit on top of my face. It actually, sinks in, which is really good. It's organic, so it has a lot of natural ingredients that will benefit your face. My next step is the brows, you guys. I feel like brow pencils versus pomade is just easier and you can work faster, because the brow pomade, you still have to blend it out. I mean, you gotta blend out a pencil too to make it look more natural, but a pomade takes more time, you guys. So if you don't have enough time, just get a brow pencil. The one that I'm using is by CoverGirl in Rich Brown. So I like to always brush out hair. So what I'm doing right here is just defining the bottom of my brow, and I will also be defining the top of my brow. So right now I'm just going to focus on defining the bottom brow and just fill in the areas that need a little bit more help. I like to stay away from this side because I don't want my brows to look like the boxy version. So I just go a little bit up and then just with the spoolie blend everything. So let's say that you are blessed with brows, so all you have to do is just use a brow gel, either a tinted one, or you can use some hairspray and put it on the spoolie and just apply it on your brows so your brows can just stay and not move around. So now moving on to the face, you guys, I have a separate video on this, but I've been using this foundation for about 2 years, I want to say. And it's by Adrilunamakup, and it's called the Glow Time, the BB cream, which has SPF 25 and a lot of skincare ingredients that are really good for your face, you guys. So for this foundation, you need just a little bit, and you can build it up to full coverage, you guys. So just depending on how much you want. You can even use this foundation as a concealer, you guys. You can either get a lighter shade if you want to brighten up that area, or if you guys would like for me to do a separate video on how to color correct. I like to take a damp beauty blender, make sure that it's damp, and just apply this all over my face after my foundation so everything can look nice and flawless. So for my next step, I like to set my T-zone, and I'm going to be using this Pressed Mineral Makeup, which has SPF 15, and this one is by Pure Cosmetics. Packaging is really cute, you guys. So either that, or you can use a loose powder. And I'm just setting my T-zone area. If you are more oily, then go ahead and set all your face. Now moving on to the eyes again, I like to use a bronzer. Yes, a bronzer for the eyes, you guys. Makeup does not have any rules. You can, multi-use every product. So I'm using this bronzer from 100% Pure, and it's in Cocoa Glow, you guys. I like to just grab a fluffy brush like this, and this one is by Morphe M513, and I like to set that on my crease. So in a swiping motion on your crease right here, you just want to go back and forth, and also bring it a little bit out, getting a little close to the brow bone. You cannot make any mistake, you guys, when it comes to your crease. So just swipe back and forth. You can also do circular motion just to blend everything. So there you have it. I feel like when you have a little bit of something on your crease, your eyes will just look really defined and just give you, some dimension. So now moving on to my lashes, I'm just going to curl them and then apply some mascara. I'm going to be applying a couple coats of the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, you guys. So with that same bronzer, I'm going to be applying it to contour, and just to give me some dimension, because if you just use your foundation and don't add anything else, your face would have no definition. I like to use my damp beauty blender again and just go over everything I just did. So moving on to the lips, either you can apply a pop of color, a lipstick, or just a chapstick. And for the chapstick, I love using the Osmia, which is the Lip Doctor. It has avocado oil, cocoa oil, argan oil. It has a lot of good ingredients for your lips. Or I like to use this lipstick right here by Kosas, and this one is in rose water, you guys. It's really pretty. I love this lip color because it's more like an everyday lip color, you guys. So my last step is just to set the makeup. You don't have to do this step, you know, you can skip it, but I love setting my face using the Jane Iredale Lemongrass Love Hydration Spray. And I think I have like the mini size, but it smells so good, you guys. So here's a little tip. If you look really tired because your little one was just waking up, or you know, you had to study, or whatever is the case, I would suggest to buy an eyeliner that it's a color, like a cream color, you guys. And the one that I'm using is by Doll 10. As you can see the color right here, it's like a cream bone skin tone color. So I'm just going to be applying that on my waterline. And by applying this on your waterline, your eyes will appear bigger and you will look more awake. There you guys have the final look, you guys. I hope you guys love this makeup look, and I hope you guys learned a little bit, or you know, added some tips and tricks for your own makeup routine. If you would like more videos like this, then please make sure to leave me your comment down below. Don't forget to hit that follow button for more videos like this, you guys. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.